Okay, on the competition album that we are flying, to the Savannah region, mama. Yeah, the rap KOJI. Come down to grace occasion, man. Okay, rapper. Like we are good to have you on our show. Play music tag like competition album launch.
Sure. Oh, you know, Fancy is a brother, then we always connect. You know, and I thank him for extending his hand to the Savannah region, calling me to come and represent. So it's a big thing, you know. Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the way forward?
Oh well, looking on how to connect to Tamale, then expand our music back here to see how we can go forward.
Okay, after Sagani dropped the mic, it's like you were one of the distance.
No, that was my name.
Okay.
Yes, KOJI. That was my name.
Okay. That's good. Okay, I'm trying to speak Gondia, so. So, like about management, you're pleading, like how you going to plead with the general public to help in a way anybody who can support you.
You know, people should look out to rest. They should look at our craft and invest into it. It seems here we don't appreciate the music wise, but you know it's a whole lot. If you put money inside like we are seeing today, it's a big thing. Paying 150 cities to come and watch, you know, it's not a big thing. It's not a small thing. It's a big investment, so people have to look how to rate, then invest into it.
Okay, they say language is not a barrier in music.
No, language is not a barrier. I can see. I believe.
One day you will stay the show in Tamale Stadium.
Absolutely, you know, I'm pushing for it. I remember Legend Kawastone told me, I can't overtake everybody here, but you know, I should keep to my language. When they want to mention Savannah, they should mention my name, and that's what I'm even looking at, working and so on.
Okay, we are very grateful to have you on our show. Thank you very much. God bless you.